Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. Now in this video we will see what is orthographic drawing and what is isometric drawings and how to convert the isometric into from orthographic drawings. Okay, so what is orthographic? Orthographic is two-dimensional drawing here which shows the value of x and y only, that is x and y values, and the isometric drawing is three-dimensional drawing which is showing three values x, y and z, x, y and z, and the three coordinates it will shows. Okay, now we can see how to convert orthometric into isometric drawing. Okay, orthographic into isometric drawing. So here we see this piping, it is purely based on piping only. So here the piping flows from west to east. This is the west, this is the east. Okay, west to east, and this symbol shows and indicates the downside of elbow. This is the elbow, okay, which indicates the direction of downside. Okay, so direction downside, so it is going from west to east, here west to east, and the elbow will be downside. Okay, now you can see here, this is the isometric, exact isometric of this drawing. It is going west, this one will be west, and the travel from west to east. Okay, the flow will be moves from west, this one will be west and going to east, so flow is moving from west to east like this. Okay, here west and east, so direction will be like this, and downside, elbow is downside, so it is going downside. Okay, here you can see this for reference. Now here elbow up, this dots refers the butt weld. Okay, now same this also going from west to east, the elbow indicates the elbow up direction. Okay, now you see west to east, it is going west to east direction and upside. Now we can see the 45-degree elbow, how the orthographic drawings will be for 45-degree. Same, it is going from west to east. Okay, now there is two elbow, 45-degree elbow mentioned like this, so it is going like this, and the flow direction will be like this. Here it is going west to east, west to east, and going there is one elbow, the elbow will be here, and again one elbow is there, the elbow will be here, and again it is moves from moves to each side, east side, so it is going east side. Okay, this drawing, this is the orthographic, and it will be converted into isometric like this. Okay, and again this 45-degree elbow, this elbow symbol indicates the upside. So here it is going west to east, and upside one elbow is here, this elbow will be here, and again it is going to upside, this elbow will be here, and it is going east side. Okay, east side, this elbow is refers like this. Now T, we can see the T will be like this in orthographic. T will be like this, it shows upside. Okay, direction will be, the branch of the T direction will be upside, it is going west to east. Okay, west direction, and the T will be here, which shows the upside direction. The branch of the T will be the upside, and it is going to east side. Okay, again this symbol refers the T which shows down direction, the branch of the T will be down direction. So here you see west to east going, west in isometric will be like this, west to east going, and the branch, the face of the T will be downside, and again this flows from west to east. Okay, like this, west to east direction. Okay, here we can see the combinations of the T and the elbow, how it will be. This is the orthographic. Okay, this is showing west to east only. This direction indicates the elbow with up direction with in the T branch. Okay, the elbow up direction in the T branch. So it is going west to east. There is a T but well joined. It is going showing the upside direction. So direction will be like this, upside elbow, and this direction going to north direction. Okay, in orthographic. So north direction will be like this in isometric. So it is going like this. Okay, again here you can see the same format, but the T direction will be in downside. Here you can see west to east, T will be here. This is the T symbol and it is going downside. This direction is refers to downside and it is going downside, and the flows go to south in orthographic. So south will be like this. So the flows going like this in isometric. Next we can see here this orthographic. We can convert it into isometric. So the flow direction will be east to west. So east to west, it is going east to west. There is one elbow that will be upside, so it is going upside, and again the direction is going to north to south. Okay, so again one elbow is there. North to south will be like this. So it is going like this. There is one T with upside direction. There is one T here. We mentioned T here in isometric. Again the flow is going to the south only. South going. It will be this will be the elbow with the down direction. So elbow is here with the down direction. Again the flow change from south to east. So there is two elbow. One elbow is here, and one elbow is here. Okay, so it is going to the east direction. So east direction will be like this in isometric. Okay friends, hope you are all understand this video. And also if you have any comments, please comment in a comment section. If you want any queries, if you want any videos to make, please mention in the comment box. I can make in the future. Okay friends, thank you so much.